Let's talk about typography. Typography is all about fonts and how text appears on a web page. Let's start by adding some default font styles for our text elements: font family, Arial, and sans serif. So we change the default font to Arial. We already defined the color, so let's add line height 1.6. This increases space between lines for better readability. You may wonder, what does sans serif mean? The first value, Arial, is our preferred font. The second value is a fallback in case the first one isn't available. Sans serif is a fallback in case the first two fonts aren't available, meaning the family of fonts that will be smooth and modern looking. There are 5 generic font families. Serif, for example Times New Roman or Georgia, for traditional look. Sans serif, like Arial, modern and clean. Monospace, for example Consolas, for code-like text. Cursive, like Comic Sans, handwritten feel. And Fantasy, like Papyrus or Impact, for decorative style. For websites, you usually want to stick to serif or sans serif because they are the easiest to read. We can control font size using different units. For example, paragraphs, font size 20 pixels, or font size 1.5 em. This is relative to the parent element font size, 1.5 times the parent element text size. Or font size, and here we have some predefined values like small, medium, large, etc. And let's use medium. Predefined values like small, medium, and large depend on the browser's default settings. For more control, you may want to use pixels. We can control the thickness of the text using font weight. It ranges from 100 to 900, and higher value means thicker font. For example, 900, or simply bold. Let's leave it at 200 for a thinner font. We can also control font style, like making text italic. Font style italic. But for now, let's keep it normal. We can change how text is aligned using the text align, and we have options like left, center, justify, and right. But for better readability, let's justify our paragraphs. We can also add decorations and transformations to our text. Text transform, and we have options like uppercase, lowercase, capitalize, etc. And let's choose uppercase. Text decoration, we have options like none, underline, line through, and let's choose line through. We won't use these for now, but it's good to know that they exist. So here's our final paragraph styling. Remember the most important properties. Font family. Choose the font for your page and always include a fallback value. Font size. Set the size of the text using pixels, relative or predefined values. Font weight. Adjust the boldness of the text, 100 to 900, or keywords like bold. Font style. Make text italic or normal. Text align. Control text alignment like left, right, center, or justify to improve readability.